In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your GoDaddy domain step by step on Afternic. We'll start inside your GoDaddy account. Sign in, then head to your account area by clicking your profile in the top corner. From there, open My Products so you can see everything you own, and under Domains, choose Manage All. This takes you to your domain portfolio, which is the control center for selecting and listing the names you want to sell. Find the domain or domains you're ready to put on the market and check the box next to each one. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the exact names you intend to sell will save you time later. With your domain selected, open the Action menu and choose List for Sale. Here's where you'll set your pricing and options. A clear Buy It Now price helps your domains qualify for instant purchase across Afternic's network and can increase exposure. If you prefer negotiation flexibility, set a minimum offer and a floor price so brokers know how to handle inquiries. Use realistic, market-informed pricing based on extension, length, keywords, and comparable sales to encourage faster results. Next, connect to Afternic. If you've never used Afternic before, choose Create Account and Publish Listing. You'll be guided through creating your account so your domains can be syndicated across Afternic's partner marketplaces. If you already have an Afternic account, select Sign In and Publish Listing to link your credentials. Linking ensures your GoDaddy portfolio and Afternic sales settings stay in sync and that your listings propagate correctly. Before your listings go live, you may be prompted to complete two-step verification. Keep your authentication method handy, enter the code, and then submit to publish the listing. This verification protects your account and confirms you're authorizing the sale. After publishing, make sure your domain is set up for fast transfer. When eligible and enrolled, fast transfer reduces commissions to 15% and enables an automatic transfer to the buyer the moment a purchase is completed. That instant fulfillment improves buyer confidence and can boost conversions. If you see prompts to opt in, follow them so your listings can benefit from the expanded distribution and streamlined checkout Afternic provides. That's it. You've signed in, located your domains, selected what you want to sell, set pricing that fits your strategy, connected to Afternic, verified and published, and confirmed fast transfer to speed up the handoff and reduce fees. From here, monitor your Afternic dashboard for offers, respond promptly to broker outreach, and fine-tune pricing as needed to keep your listings competitive.